Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change resolution on YouTube. You can do this in your smartphone, laptop, smart TV, and so on. To change the resolution or the quality of the picture, you need to open the video first, then go to settings, go to quality, open quality. You will see options available for that video. If the video you are watching is 4K, you will also see 4K or 8K and so on. The maximum I have here is 1080 pixels because this video I am watching right now is 180. If you are not able to watch your video, you just change the resolution, go to 720 and see if it works. If it does not work, open the settings and go to 480. 480, 720, 1080, they are not the same, but the quality is good. But if you go down to other resolutions, let's check this one, 144. The resolution is really bad. You have to change the resolution of the video you are watching if your internet speed is not that excellent. You have to do it because there is a link between internet speed and video resolution. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.